Welcome back to part 2 of summarizing categorical data. Today we're going to be looking at example 2 using a two-way relative frequency table. So many parents monitor their teens' internet use. The Pew Research Center conducted a survey on whether parents do or do not check what sites their teens have visited and whether they are the parents of a teenager between the ages of 13 and 14 or between the ages of 15 and 17. The results in the survey are shown. So organize the data. So here is all the data that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and start building the table for you. Again, this is all the information that was given. And then from there, we're going to take it and we're going to find the table. So I'll do it in black because it is given. So teen age. So we have 13 to 14. And then we have 15 to 17. And then we have total. So we have does check. And does not check. And then we have total. So does check 299, 348 for a total of 647. Does not check 140, 273 for a total of 413. Total of 13 to 15-year-olds polled was 439. Total of 15 to 17s is 621 for a total of 1,060 students. So this is the given information. Now from this, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to build our frequency table. So what we're going to do is we're going to start finding the percents. So we're going to redo the table. So we have teenage. Again, we have 13 through 14. Then we have 15 through 17. And we have total. Then we have does check. We have does not check. And we have total. So we're going to start off with the does check. So here our total is 299. The total number of students surveyed was 1060. So this is going to be 299. Divide by 1060, which gives you about 28.2%. 15 to 17, this is 348. Divide by 1060, which gives you about 32.8. 32.8%. And again, the total of parents that do check is 647. Divide by the number of students surveyed is 1060 for a total of about 61%. Now let's go to does not check. So this is 140 over 1060, which is about 13.2%. And again, I'm taking 140 and I'm dividing it by 1,060. I'm putting it on my calculator. I'm using decimals. However, I'm dividing it and getting out these numbers. 273 over 1060, which gives me about 25.8%. And then lastly, 413 over 1060, which gives me about 39%. So the percentage of students between 13 and 14, that's 439. over 1060. So that's about 41.4%. The percentage of students between 15 and 17, that's 621 divided by 1060, which is about 58.6%. And then the total number of students surveyed was 100%. So that one, we don't really need to fully write it out because it's 1060 over 1060, which is 100. Sometimes you don't even write it. So let's summarize what we know. So what did we find out? Well, we found out that 61% of parents check. 39% of parents do not check. And we got those from the given information in the first table. And then from there, we are able to create all of our frequencies, our percents that are happening in this table. So go ahead and summarize this up, and then you're going to be answering questions like this today.